Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name's Melanie and I do a lot of various videos such as daily food hauls, weekly food hauls, TK Maxx hauls, B&M hauls, Argos hauls, beauty box unboxings, food subscription box unboxings. I also unbox watches, trainers and makeup such as eyeshadow palettes. So as you can probably tell already, I am unboxing the Sleek Eye Divine eyeshadow palette in Vintage Romance. I received this in the February's edition of Glossybox, and I have two eyeshadow palettes by Sleek. That I've actually got three eyeshadow palettes by Sleek, two full size and one a mini one. I wouldn't say I reach for my Sleek palettes often, if I'm being honest. I tend to stick to my Urban Decay palettes, my Charlotte Tilbury palette and my Maybelline The Nudes palette the most. Those are the ones I've been recently using. But I've actually wanted this Vintage Romance eyeshadow palette for quite a while. So I was very happy that this was the one included in the Glossybox. So I'm going to show you the palette and then I'm going to do swatches. I have done this in other videos and there is a playlist for that. So if you want to check out the playlist, please feel free to do so. So, like all Sleek palettes, it comes in this black box and it always has the eyeshadow colours on the front. On the back it has the names of the eyeshadows. Always comes in a matte black case. And then I love these for the mirror. The mirror is absolutely giant and I'm trying not to blind you with it. So as you can see, this palette is a bit of a stunner. I don't normally use pinks or purples and that is why I wanted this palette. Normally I would use just those three because I like my golds, my bronzes, my nude shades. But I wanted it so I can try different looks. So let's get into the swatching. The first shade is called Pretty in Paris and it's like a silver shade. That's a very, very light silver. It's got a slight shimmer and it's probably only just about picking it up, but it's there. And the next shade is called Meet in Madrid and it's a gold colour. That is more pigmented and easier to see. I like that a lot. It's actually showing the silver up now. The next one is called Caught in Cannes and it's a bronzy type shade but not super bronzy. So it's that one. We're on Lost in LA. Then Romance in Rome. Which isn't very pigmented. The next shade is Propose in Prague. It's like a brown nudie type shade. Then A Vow in Venice. These are the colours that I want to start using or experimenting with. So I'm looking forward to trying these. I'm going to try them today. Marriott in Monte Carlo is the next shade. Looks very like pretty, this shade. I like this one a lot. That's really super pigmented. I like that. That is super nice. I think that's my favourite so far. Then it's Honeymoon in Hollywood, which is this shade here. The next shade is called Bliss in Barcelona, and it's this stunning purple looking shade here. I've picked up a little bit of the shade next to it, the Honeymoon in Hollywood, because it'd gone in, but it doesn't matter. It's kind of nice. I'm not loving it though. And it's Forever in Florence. This looks very, very glittery, but I've got a feeling it's going to swatch really well. That's really pretty as well. I like that. Called Love in London, and it's very, very glittery. I can feel the glitter. I wouldn't really want to use this just because how it feels. It's very black. Wow. That is a matte black with glitter in it. It's kind of a greeny bluey glitter. If you can pick, I don't know if it's picking that up. That's insane. I don't know if I'd ever use that. So that is the Vintage Romance eyeshadow palettes. There will be a matching blog post up on my blog, either already up now when this video goes live, or within a few days of the video going live. So if you want to know more about this eyeshadow palette, or you want to see pictures of the swatches, which I've actually done at the same time as filming this video, then my blog is always linked down below. So please feel free to check that out. If you have any questions, please leave them down below and I'll try and answer them. And please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching everyone. Bye.